What's up, guys? Allmuscle. Well, I've been getting some requests for some more Mustang stuff. As we kind of put up the Mustangs and did a few Mercedes cars. This is the last 211. This is the diesel CDI that I've been working on. But anyway, she's done. I think we need a one of the transmission control boards, so we're waiting on a part on that. But other than that, she's done. Anyways, so here she is. It's a 2012 competition orange Mustang Boss 302, and this is exactly how I got it. I just got it in last night, yesterday evening. I woke up, and here she is. She's actually still here. Anyways, this is the condition that I've got it in. I'm gonna just go ahead and walk around the vehicle and show you what I've got. We'll start off with the front area here. Right off the bat, you can see there's a big knock to the front of the hood here. A little misalignment here on the bumper. And then we've got some seriously undersized tires. And some scraping here on one of the wheels. But this says there it's a 225. This should be 255 is what the factory puts on them in the front. So the undersized on that. Window was down. Again, it was sitting at the auction, so I don't know how long that's been down. We'll go through the interior here too. The rear tires, they look to be the correct size. They look alright. A little spent, but they're the correct size anyway. We got a North Carolina tag on it. Got some fading going on this third brake light. I don't know if you could tell that thing's faded out. Either polish that out or replace it. Got the exhaust cap back. Looks like it's in there. Missing a little antenna. I can't believe they still do these. I mean, put the damn thing in the windshield like everybody else does already. Nice striping. Look like we got some major water spottage. I don't know how you could. Yeah, there you go. Looks like solid calcium over here or something. So we're gonna this car is definitely gonna have, and it's all across the back of the. If you can see, I don't know how well this is gonna show up, but it's not shiny. The car is definitely not shiny. Definitely water spottage. If you look, here's underneath the handle, for example. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. Yeah, there we go. See all this here? It's all corroded all up in here. But anyways, that's the whole side of this vehicle. Here's the window. Same thing. Same thing. There's spots, water spots everywhere. Hard water spots. Looks like all over the side. It's not on the other side, but it's definitely on this side. Same thing here with the undersize on the tire there. All right, so what's under the hood, you ask? Well, let me see if I can figure out how to open it, because we don't know how to open the hood around here. There we go. There you go. So let's prop it up real nice. So this is what I got. The engine. I knew about this. The only thing I didn't know about on the car was the hideous water spottage on this side, because I bought this car, without seeing it first, and the only thing I didn't know about was this damage up here on the hood. I didn't expect that. I figured the body was tits, and I would just have to do some engine work. So, anyways, here's the Coyote. I guess this is the Roadrunner version of the Coyote. That's what they call it. You can see there's no transmission connected, but you can see the clutch assembly with the flywheel there. No transmission connected. We don't have an intake manifold. We're missing the intake manifold. The complete airbox assembly is not here. I don't know about wiring yet. Looks like we might have some of it. Looks like there's, so obviously some there. But as far as other wiring that plugs into the vehicle, we don't have a key. There's another thing that we don't have. And what do you know? Look at that. We have the transmission and the strut brace, the strut tower brace. This, believe it or not, that transmission was in the trunk of the vehicle, along with just some miscellaneous shrouds, hoses, and what else did we get in there? Oh, we got a couple things in here too. We got a valve cover, a coil cover, I believe that's what that's called. All in the trunk. Let's take a look at this trunk actually. Got it popped open here. So we look like in the trunk. So yeah, this is definitely a project right here. But anyways, a nice little project, I would say. I think she's gonna come around. We're gonna get some parts for her, make her feel nice and cozy again. But yeah, this is the interior. That's what you get. You got some shit. You got some Listerine in there, that's for sure. Make sure you're, when you're working on your vehicle, you got the mouthwash kicking in. Back seat, looks like we got a little tear there. It's actually not a tear. I think it's just some of the material sticking up. This one happens to have the Recaro seat. The Recaro seat option. The Recaro seat option came with the torsion differential. It was a $2,000 option on this vehicle, and you ended up getting the torsion, which is a really nice differential. The torsion differential is like probably my favorite of all differentials, and then the Recaro seats. So those two came together as one option, or as a package with the option. I can't remember what the option was actually called, but yeah, this is driver's side area here. And first thing I'm gonna do is some major cleanup, guys. First thing I'm gonna do is some major cleanup. I gotta get this. I don't have a key, so I'm gonna have to put power to this window motor and get that rolled up, so we don't have any critters or any more elements going in there. We'll stop that, and then some major cleanup. So I like to do the cleanup first. That way, I can probably source out the parts, something that I need while I'm doing something. I got to be doing something on it, So while I'm sourcing out parts, while I'm waiting for them to get here, we'll go ahead and get it nice and cleaned up. And I'm talking interior and exterior, wheels, tires, everything, nice and clean. That way, when we look at it, we have something nice to look at. It's a little bit more motivating when you see something that you're building actually looking nice, So, anyways, that's that for now. I'm gonna let you guys go, but yeah, this is 2012. I don't know the mileage on it yet. The mileage is gonna be tied into the cluster, obviously, but I don't have a key. So, and then a lot of this wiring here is not plugged in, so we're gonna go ahead and fiddle with that a little bit and see if we can't pull it up and see what we're working with. Anyways, there she is for now. I think she's a nice looking car. She's gonna come around. It's on the Allmuscle channel, guys. It's gonna come around. Don't worry about it. Anyways, you guys take care. Be safe. Be cool. And I'll see you on the next one.